every day, first aid, knocked out tooth. Get the person to get the tooth, if they can find it, and get them to put it back into the socket where the tooth came out of. Get them to bite down on some piece of, toilet, kitchen roll, something like that. Get them to the dentist. Most of the time, the dentist will be able to strap the tooth in and it can take root again, and that's it, job done. But if the person's not able to put the tooth back into the socket that it came out of, get them to spit saliva into a container and get them to pop their tooth into that container. The tooth has come out of this saliva, out of this environment that it's happy in. It increases the chance of the dentist being able to get it back into the socket that it came out of. If the person is not able to, for some bizarre reason, to produce any saliva to spit in, that's when we bring out the milk. So the tooth into the milk, it keeps it moist. Get them to the dentist. Hopefully the dentist will be able to get the tooth, pop it back into the socket, strap it up, wire it up, and it will take root again. So yeah, that's what to do. Don't throw it in the bin. Don't suck it up the Hoover, and get them to the dentist. And hopefully, fingers crossed, it'll get stuck back in. And yeah, Bob's your uncle. There you are. And anyway, I'm Sarah, owner and trainer of First Aid at Work, based in Aberdeen and Aberdeenshire. So have a great weekend, everybody. Keep safe and look after your teeth.